Good morning, friends. So, welcome to the Master Vlogs once again. So, today we just woke up to see this beautiful snow all over. See that? And just took out my son Richu just to see the snow and just walk around here. So, as some of you may know, we have moved our house from Cloonkeen village to this Kilbeggan town in County Westmeath in Ireland. So, I'll just show you this place and I'll show you my house. So this is my new house. So as you have seen, it's a small house. It cannot be even called as a house, could be called as an apartment. As we have been looking for a house for so long, and this is what we got at the end. It was so hard to find a house, so we were not that lucky. And compared to the previous house where we used to live in Cloonkeen in County Galway, like this is like a big step down. So what can we do? Just adjust. That's all we can do. But we are happy. We are getting used to this now. So I'll just show you this town a little bit now, okay? See that? That's the Kilbeggan whiskey factory, I think. There's a visual experience and all there, but I don't think it's open now because of COVID and all the restrictions. Nice. Entrance. From here, I think we had to take the ticket to go in, but unfortunately, it's not open because of COVID. This is the church in Kilbeggan. It's quite a modern church. I mean, the architecture. Usually the churches you see in Ireland are a bit old, aren't they? Jenny and Richo are just swinging in the swing there.
that's all, friends. So thank you so much for watching the master vlog. I'll see you later with another nice video. All right, so thank you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and like and share with your friends and families. And let me remind you, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Thank you. Bye.